Hello students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. In my last class, I have already taught you about the rational exponents of a real number. Today we will discuss more examples to clear rational exponents of a real number. Rational exponents of a real number. Look at here. Example. Simplify x to the power minus 2 y to the power 3 square root. Square root, this can be written as y to the power q, x negative exponents, then take it to denominator and make positive exponents. This can be written as this. Then what is this? This is y cube upon x square whole to the power half. Then it can written as y to the power 3 into half. 3 by 2 x square into half. Recall the exponents, x to the power a, b. Then what happened with the exponent? X to the power a into b. When there is bracket and exponent is outside, then the exponents get multiplied with each other. Then what we get? Y to the power 3 by 2 upon x. Then solve another example. X to the power minus 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 1 upon 2. Then whole 3. Then whole 3. Next. This is x to the power minus 2 by 3 into 3 into y into y to the power minus 1 by 2 into 3. Then what we get? 3 cancel. This is x to the power minus 2 into y to the power minus 3 by 2. Then y to the power minus 3 by 2. Then this can be written as 1 upon, because I have already told you never keep the exponent in negative form. When there is exponent negative in numerator, take it to denominator and make the exponents positive. Then this is y to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Then take another example. To simplify x to the power minus 3 square root whole to the power 5. X to the power, then what is? Square root means whole to the power half, then whole to the power 5. Then what I have told you before, x to the power a, b, c. Then what happened with the exponents? They are multiplied, x to the power a, b, c. Then here x to the power minus 3 into half into 5. Then what we get? X to the power x to the power minus 15 by 2. Then bring it to denominator and make the exponent positive. This is 1 upon x to the power 15 by 2. Then another simplify. Suppose this is x to the power square root. Then look at here. Square root here, this is 3 means, look at here. Suppose x 3. What do you mean by this? This is x to the power 1 upon 3. Here 3 means, then here 4. Then look at here. How can you simplify? This is x to the power 2 whole 1 by 3. Then another whole 1 by 4. This is 3 means x to the power 3 means x to the power square root sign 3 means cube root, then it can be written as x to the power 1 upon 3. Here 4 means x to the power 1 upon 4. Then what happened with the exponents? 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. 2 cancel, then what we get? X to the power 1 upon 6. This is the answer. Then solve more example. Some more example. So that here, prove that. So that x to the power a into b minus c upon x to the power b into a minus c divide x to the power b upon x to the power a whole c is equal to 1. Take LHS and we get RHS. Then can we? So prove that LHS equal to RHS. Then let first take LHS. Then x to the power a into b minus c. Then what happened if you open the bracket? X to the power ab minus sc upon x to the power ba or ab minus bc. Then here divide sign, x to the power b upon x to the power a. Then when there is division, what happened with the exponents? Exponents subtract. Exponent subtract b minus a. Then next whole c. Here also division. Then when we take it to numerator, then same base, then exponents are subtracted. ab minus sc minus bracket, keep inside the bracket, because when we subtract always use bracket, otherwise you may do something wrong with the sign. Then here b minus a, outside the bracket there is c. Then what happened with this? The exponents get multiplied. b minus a into c, then b into c, bc minus sc. Here when we open the bracket ab minus sc minus ab minus minus, then we get plus sc divide x to the power bc minus sc. Then ab cancel. Then here x to the power, then here also, no, look at here, this is minus sc cancel. Here what is x to the power, look at here, ab minus sc. Here this is bc, look at here, this is bc. Sorry, here look at here, what happened with this? Here ab minus sc minus ab plus bc. Then what we get? X to the power bc minus sc divide x to the power bc minus sc. Then here this is division sign. What happened with these exponents? Then the exponents get subtracted with each other. Then here we get x to the power bc minus ac, then minus bc minus minus. When we open the bracket, this is plus sc, bc cancel, sc plus minus sc plus sc cancel. Then what is in the exponent? 0. You know, any x to the power 0, always 1. What may be the base? When there is exponent 0, then we get the answer 1. We get 1, then what is this in RHS? RHS 1. Hence we prove that LHS equal to RHS. So that this equal to this, yes, we prove that LHS equal to RHS. We take LHS and we get the answer 1, which is in RHS. Okay. Then next. Today this much. In my next class we will discuss more examples. Then you students please do your worksheet and ask me any doubt in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you students.